Most cars these days come equipped with air conditioning. For some, it's a luxury. For others, a necessity. A good working air conditioning system is key to a comfortable driving experience. Fact is, your air conditioner can lose its cool a number of ways. If you notice it blowing hot air only, that may indicate low refrigerant, which is what cools the air, a leak in the climate system components, a faulty cooling compressor, or something else. If you don't feel any blowing, that could be a bad fan. Blocked or stuck air blend door, which regulates the air temperature, or dirty cabin air filter. It may be time for an AC checkup. Play it safe and have your air conditioner's components checked yearly, preferably before summer's heat arrives. Call your local Quick Lane for service hours and more. No appointment necessary.